Forex.
Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I'm ballin', girls fallin'. Now I'm Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I started from the bottom, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Your girl wanna do me, now I'm Jordan Belfort. The Lord tryna find me, now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm back again, man, they gotta feel him. Michael Myers style, I gotta kill him. Groupies want the work and I'ma drill him. I'm walking through the hood cause I'm a real one. Man, I gotta stun hard. All the game, pull up out the backyard. And I never sold the cocoa. But I don't need it cause, man, my money loco. Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I'm ballin', girls fallin'. Now I'm Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I started from the bottom, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Your girl wanna do me, now I'm Jordan Belfort. The Lord tryna find me, now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm a soldier boy, let your girl tell him. And y'all ain't got no soul, I think I sell him. I'ma buy a couple, yeah, so I can sell him. And if I put you to the test, I bet you fail him. I'm all about the cash now. The girl all on me, she showing me her ass now. Stripper. And I'm swimming through the cash now. Then your favorite rapper trash now. Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I'm ballin', girls fallin'. Now I'm Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I started from the bottom, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Your girl wanna do me, now I'm Jordan Belfort. The Lord tryna find me, now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. Air Force One, nigga, I'm so fly. I'ma take your girl, don't you ask me why. Hope she don't get addicted like my. Cause I'm a hitter, then I leave her, tell her bye. Swerve. All I know is them Benjis and them commas. With the presidential rolling like Obama. All I know is them Benjis and them commas. I ain't gotta shoot, DJ kick the drama. Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I'm ballin', girls fallin'. Now I'm Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort, Jordan Belfort. The way I started from the bottom, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Your girl wanna do me, now I'm Jordan Belfort. The Lord tryna find me, now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort.
What is going on, everybody? How we doing? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Jordan Belfort, yes sir. I made that song when I can't even remember. I think I made that song like that whenever the Wolf of Wall Street came out. Or what is it called? Yeah, the Wolf of Wall Street, right? Whenever that movie came out, a year after, that's when I made that song. Or I think a year or 2 years after I made that song. So whatever year that movie came out, that's when I made that song. And now look, what a coincidence. I'm a trader. 2015. So yeah, I probably made that song in 2017. But anywho, what is going on, everybody? So today, we basically only took one trade, which was an oil trade. I do want to keep you guys up to date on what's going on with my account as well. So you guys will know kind of where I'm at with everything. So I want to first start off with my funded account, 200K funded account that I am working on with Funder Pro. This is the prop firm I am actually doing. And if you guys are ever interested in this prop firm, I can definitely touch that down below so you guys will see that. But right now we are up $6,000 on this account for profit. If you guys look closely, remaining 16K. I still got a lot more dollars to go, but it's all good, all great. Overall, we took 5 days, remaining 26. You guys kind of see. So basically, for those that's new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel for one. But for two, I am actually trading a personal account, which is my $2,700 personal account, and I'm using iSpring FX for that broker. And I'm looking to get it to 50K, and once I get there, I'm kind of going to grow it all the way up to 100K and just keep that account as it is. So any trade that I take off of that account, it will be transitioned to this account. I am using a copy trader in the back end called Social Trader. I believe it's called Social Trader, or Social Trader. And whatever trade I take from my personal account will get copied into my funded account. So regardless of all L's you see here, which is 2, I got a couple more L's. So basically the percentage that you see here, 73%, is roughly where I'm at on my personal account as well. And pretty much 90% of these trades were called either on my live stream or VIP. There were literally, I think, 2 or either 4 trades that I did not call at all. But other than that, 90% of my trades were all called either in this live or mainly in my VIP. All right, but other than that, guys, we're going to go ahead and get into the market. I just wanted to show you my stats on that so you guys see what is going on. By the way, if you guys are ever interested in signing up, you do get a discount code, 20% off. You guys can go ahead and tap into that if you want to. Now, looking into gold, I was expecting gold to actually head down based off of these fib levels right here, which we did earlier, guys. We had a rejection off of the 27 and a 618 fib point right over here with this last hour candle, but it looks like we still might want to head up. I don't know if you guys heard what's going on with Biden. He's trying to up everything for the taxes. So I don't know if that is going to affect anything for this week, but I'm curious to see, and I'm curious to know myself. So that being said, man, I would love to see gold head down, but I don't think that's anytime soon, especially me going live right now. I don't see anything happening soon with the gold. Other than that, let me go into the 5-minute, maybe show you guys what I might see on the 5-minute. So on the 5-minute, like I said, we've been doing nothing but going up. I can definitely see that we have some divergence going on. Yeah, clear as day. I mean, it's super simple to spot divergence now, but we do got little divergence going on. So possibly soon we should see that reversal, which makes sense because we are still in the 618%. Another nice thing I would like to see is that if we can get another low form, maybe I can sell that low. You guys know I'm a scalper, man. We called out oil trades off a 30-second time frame, and we rode that jump up. But hey, I'm off down for a 30-second time frame, 30-second entries for sure. So if I can catch a nice little low right here, if I catch a nice little internal low, I will be possibly looking for maybe a reversal. But I got to see what dollar's doing at that time too, because if dollar can actually take out this high right over here where we're looking at about 103.919, that would be pretty good to see, because that tells me, for one, we broke structure. Also for two, for at least for this broker here, I see we got a gap, and you know, guys know how that happens. One thing about a gap is you will never know when it will get fulfilled, but it will get fulfilled within that week span. I remember when I got into NASDAQ trade and I took it because I seen a gap. The dumbest thing I ever did, but it took up until Sunday all the way into Thursday to fill that gap. So I was in so much drawdown. I was like, yeah, nope, never again. So at this time, I'm literally looking at structure, waiting on my setup. And then off my setup, I got confluence that, hey, we could be going up because we do got to fulfill a gap. I don't even know if it shows on my broker. Let me make sure, though. Yeah, see, for my broker, it doesn't show a gap. So that's why I'm kind of like curious to know. Actually, it does show a gap. Sorry, I just completely lied to you guys. Yeah, let me show you guys here. So if you guys look, by the way, this is my personal account, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see this growth that I'm doing. But if you guys tap into dollar, oh, I don't have dollar on here. Let me add dollar. Let's go ahead and drop dollar in. And let me add my template. All right, so if you guys see dollar on iSpring FX, we also have a gap, so that's pretty cool. One other thing that I'm also somewhat trying to see, no, we don't really have a liquidity phase going on, but we do have this nice little structure here, right? I know a lot of you guys like support and resistance, so definitely see that there. We also see this here as well. We also getting a lot of rejection off of this. One thing I would say is it could respect this or reject this. I don't trade support and resistance, honestly, but I usually wait to see what direction it wants to do, and I kind of go off that. But either way it goes, looking at dollar, if we can get this break of structure, super simple, guys. Break of structure, waiting on it to break out of here. Let me put an alert here just in case I stumble across another trade and forget about this. Wait on that pullback, and then I can see gold coming down. If dollar's going up, gold can definitely come down and then shoot from there. Other than that, let's see what else you guys talking about in my community or in this chat. Gold and down, that's maybe there's liquidity phase on gold 15-minute. There is no liquidity phase. Gold still got a gap. What's your thoughts on NAS? What is that divergent indicator called? This is the RSI I'm using. I only use RSI for divergence. I don't use it for oversold or overbought. Yo, Solo, I use the 1 minute and 5 minute time frames. Oh, you asking me? Should I use? Oh, you asking me if you should use? 1 minute or 5 minute is really good. Honestly, David, it does not matter. Whatever time frame you would prefer. I like 2 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute is really good for. Only really like trading 5 minute with oil and 5 minute with NASDAQ because it's very, very volatile. But anything under the 5 minute, I can trade gold and NASDAQ, or not NASDAQ, but just gold. Hey man, why do you trade oil? It's my first time seeing someone trade it. I like trading oil because it's very volatile. The one thing about NASDAQ is it's very volatile, but you don't get a lot of opportunity. So it's like you got to either be in it at the right time or forget it. Well, oil, I consider oil moves just like NASDAQ, but it will always give you opportunity. So like right here, you see how you had all of this coming down, right? See how weak it was? Strong for sellers, basically. With NASDAQ, your pullback would be this and it will still drop. But with oil, you would get an actual pullback and then still drop. So that is exactly why I like trading oil, because I can see these setups and I can get in these setups and I know it will structure very well. And that's why I love oil. That's why oil is number 1, gold is number 2, NASDAQ is number 3 in my playbook. The broker I'm using is iSpring FX. That is who I'm using to actually trade right now. And then once again, guys, if you're interested in a prop firm, this is the Funder Pro is the prop firm I'm using. It is a new prop firm, but it is backed by iSpring FX. That's why I am trying them out, seeing how it works and all that stuff. So it is backed by iSpring FX. They use iSpring FX servers in the back end. So yes, a lot of you guys don't even realize a lot of these funded prop firms that's actually coming out are backed by bigger prop firms. I can give you real actual facts because I had somebody hit me up directly from a really big, I can't give you guys names, but from a really big prop firm company. It's like I think it's in the top 8 of the biggest well-known prop firms that hit me up directly and had asked me, Solo, do you want to start your own prop firm? We will be the backbone of it. All you got to do is pay a server provider fee, a liquidity provider fee, you know, which is a couple grand a month, or I think a one-time fee, and then you pay a couple grand a month to keep it going, and you worry about nothing. We control everything. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna consider that later down the road. Maybe see how prop firms do within a year from now, and then I'll get into that. But right now I got other things focused. I'm working on an app for a journal right now, so that's kind of why I'm not tapping into the prop firm aspect. But I would have definitely got into it if I, you know, wasn't into getting this journal that I'm working on right now. It's an app that I'm creating. Guys, I'm all about creating passive income. I'm not trying to look to trade for the effing rest of my life. I don't want to be trading for 30 plus years still doing this, because it can be very stressful. You know, I'm all about passive income, man. This isn't passive income. I'm sitting on the desk on my live stream talking to you guys right now. This is not passive income. It's good income to make because you're barely doing anything, which you really are. You're dealing with a lot of stress and mental. But what I'm getting at is you're not putting in a lot of time to get little bucks. You're putting in little time to get literally double your income of what you maybe make a month, a year, or whatever. So for me, I'm all about passive income. I don't want to be 30 years from now still trying to work a 9 to 5 or still trying to do this. I'd rather figure out ways while I'm still young, while I'm still fresh in the game and everything like that. I want to get it done now and don't have to worry about it when I get older. So that's what I'm working on right now, journal and all that fun stuff. And it's gonna be really cool what I got going on. So what would you consider the most reliable time frame to trade oil? 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame. You addicted to the chart, so I don't see the same way. Absolutely. I'm not saying that's for everybody. That's just for me and for the ones that's like me. Trading is fun to me. Don't get me wrong. It's definitely fun to me. But like I said, man, I just know I'm not still would be trading because it's just fun. Like I said, it's a part of me now. But what I'm getting at is, like, I just know I don't want to be constantly waking up every single day trying to take 10 trades every day. Like, I'd rather take one trade for the week or one trade, and then I'll make my monthly, yearly salary off of that one trade. How to find setups without liquidity phases, brother? That's a lot of educational stuff right there, where you will have to literally get dived into our courses in our boot camp. I can't even tell you all that. I make it sound simple, man. I swear I do make trading seem simple, and what I might say on my live streams will be simple. But I know, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, if you've been tapped in my live streams from day one, and you get something but you don't get it fully, that's because I don't teach and preach everything in details, because it's not for one, this is not no mentorship live stream that I'm doing, right? But for two, you really got to be into our camp in order to get all of that info. Otherwise, you're just in it getting a little nicked pieces and all that, trying to understand it and trying to put it together. And there's just more to that. All right, so NASDAQ basically grabbed liquidity. We talked about, I don't know if any of you guys were in our VIP on Friday. I don't know if anybody here was on our VIP on Friday, but we talked about this in our VIP Friday. I was like, guys, I'm sure this week what's going to happen is market is going to grab this liquidity to make this wave 4 to wave 5, and that is exactly what's going on now. So we just took all this liquidity, and we might have a setup. By the way, guys, like the video. Don't come on my stream not liking the video and just coming in here to try to get free money, and then complain about everything else. So I need everybody here to go ahead and like up the video. This is a nice oil trade. I mean, nice NASDAQ trade. Let's see. We took the highs out. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, man. I already know NASDAQ is gonna definitely take off, but I gotta stick to my rule. I still needed to pull back. Let me go on a smaller scale to see maybe there's a smaller range that I might miss. Yeah, I still needed to pull back to this midpoint right here. Otherwise, this is a super risky trade in my opinion. Because if I was to get in here, this would have been a better position. So I'm not getting in this trade. By all means, anybody else wants to take this, go right ahead. But if this goes into TP, it's not going to be a trade that I am going to record as a winner because I am not personally in it or didn't really personally say, yeah, take it. You said, fam, can I not place a NASDAQ trade under one standard? Yeah, you should be able to unless it's your broker, which I don't know why. But it could be a couple of reasons, though. So I'm saying, man, guys, the broker I'm using, so everyone is up to par with everything, Offspring FX. You want to tap into Offspring FX. All right, here we go. This is what I was looking for. This nice internal low. Now let's see what dollar's doing. Dollar still ain't even doing nothing because my alert is still set. We already in my negatives, my fib zones, my potential reversal fib levels. What's your advice for someone to recover from a big life-changing loss? Oh, man, there's a lot to that play right there. It depends on a number of factors, bro. But one thing I would say for me is, man, I know for me when biggest L, I had to really recoup my whole plan. That's the biggest thing. Like I had to reconfigure my whole plan. You know, I had to really figure out my whole plan. By the way, guys, I'm about to give everybody access to my Discord. It's free. We do have a free section. Let me say that. I know y'all like the word free and y'all think everything is free. But let me see. Reason why I don't share it because, like I said, I'm no longer offering the free section to the public no more. But once again, this is probably going to be the last time you guys will see this available. Read Trading in the Zone. That's a powerful book, man. Trading in the Zone definitely will get your mental right, for sure. Trading in the Zone will definitely get your mental right. The Go POI is higher than the zone price. It is now. Not too early for a reversal. Crypto, I think you're talking about this gray box I have. This is really not my POI. This is just my area. I like to call kill zone area where I like to see price starts to basically reverse on us in a way. Internal structure for sure. We do have divergence. You know, now I kind of want to see this break out, pull, and then boom. So what is going on, guys? How we feeling this week, man? Are we I got a question, guys. In 2023, so far, are you guys profitable or not profitable? Are you guys profitable or not profitable? I need you to put in a yes or no. Oh, damn. We got 100% no. Oh, okay. All right. There we go. We should have more no's than yeses. That's realistic. Realistically, we should have more no's than yeses. So far, we at a 71% for no's. That seems about right. Trading is not easy, guys. Believe me. Honestly, I keep blowing my accounts. Lost a lot 2 weeks ago, but we're coming back strong with gold. Feds are trying to get the hey, they try to get their money back for real. Blue Mind funded account with Friday's news. Focused on my psychology. Huge payout. You said we had news, right? We did have news on Friday. I'm trying to see what happened on Friday, y'all. We had took one W and then one L, but the W definitely paid off. Lost 1 month's salary. Ooh. I don't see a dime. It's crazy that a lot of us is saying this, right? And I'm trying to tell you guys, man. I'm glad you guys are saying all this. By the way, guys, keep it up. I need y'all to really be honest with yourselves. So there's a reason why everybody's at a 70%, 76%, right? And I'm gonna give you a lot of different statements off of this. One is, you guys that is tapped in on these streams and I watch other YouTubers streaming and y'all not invested. Let me say that again. For everybody that is tapped into YouTube watching every one stream, maybe you might have 5 different tabs up right now of one YouTuber, another YouTuber, another YouTuber, another YouTuber, right? But you're not nowhere invested into trading. That is reason number one why you're losing money. You don't have to be invested into somebody's course. You got to be invested into yourself. And what I mean by that is you literally got to invest your time, your financial or whatever it is into really understanding the market. And why I'm saying this is because a lot of traders come in this YouTube, especially now everybody's YouTubing, going live. Y'all just come in here to get money. Y'all just come in here to get or to look for quick bucks. Y'all know y'all want to come in here like for everybody that's always coming in here and saying, yo, talk about gold. When I'm trying to give you guys nice little gems, y'all just instantly be like, yo, what's going on with gold? 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 Look at gold. Look at gold. Look at gold. And I am literally giving y'all a nice little quick hidden gem, mentor gem, but y'all still be thirsty about gold. I know gold is number one, and that's why I'm talking about gold. Y'all still be thirsty about gold. That's number one. Y'all don't want to actually take the time to learn. Y'all just want a quick buck because y'all might have heard somebody say you can make a quick buck, and y'all still stuck on that quick buck, and it's not going to happen. Y'all going to quickly lose your money. That's for sure, but y'all not going to get that quick buck. So that's number one. Number two is lack of understanding the market. Y'all think y'all understand the market because you seen a YouTube video of somebody making an 80% win rate and you watched it a couple times and you tried it out and you seen that it worked. So you want to try it out live, and then you realize right when you go live, everything is against you. That is, nobody's against you but your mindset. I swear. You would never know this if you really listen to what I'm saying right now. Have anybody ever came to a situation where they was profitable in a demo account, but the moment you got into a live account, you suck? Like, you're not profitable at all. You're like, man, the market is against me. Oh, blah, blah. I don't know what's going on. That is not the market's fault. It is you. It's your mental that you don't understand yet. It's that 1% that you don't understand yet. that is making all your trades go left. I talk about this all the time. I am literally saying this I say this to my bootcamp students. I say, everybody in my bootcamp, I want you guys to have a live account. I want you to trade a live account while we're doing our bootcamp, because a demo is not going to teach you nothing but just understanding the market, which you can figure that out any other way. You don't need to waste your time with a demo account. You don't. Demo's not going to get you nowhere. It's really not. You can learn how to back test, all of that stuff. That's cool, but it's not going to teach you the most important thing, and that's your mental. So I say this all the time. That 1% that you will not really pay attention to, that's the 1% that is making 70% of y'all not profitable for 2023. That is literally what's making 70% of y'all not profitable 2023. That little 1%, y'all think that, oh, you know what, I'm going to just take this trade. The moment you guys take a buy right now with no reason behind this buy, literally is the reason why you guys will take a L. So that's number 2. So number 3, last one, is you got to have a structured plan like this. You need a structured plan like this. By the way, I'm not trying to sell you guys anything. If y'all think that's where I'm getting to, I'm not. What I'm basically saying is you need a trading plan. I can sit here and tell you guys right now, when I had asked this a couple weeks ago, y'all literally had said that there was a lot of people that had a trading plan. But if that's the case, why is 70% of y'all failing? There were over 60% of y'all that said they had a trading plan, but 70% of y'all failing or not profitable. That is because y'all are not obeying your own trading plan. Y'all not sticking to your own rules. So y'all writing down these rules, or y'all either lied to me when y'all had said that. Y'all need to have this written down. Y'all don't, not thought in your head. I don't need y'all to be like, well, in my head I got it. No, F that. Have that is written down. And then stick by your rules. Like right now, I swear to gosh, if I was to get in the trade right now, just because somebody had told me, oh, there's divergence E, you should sell it because there's a double top and engulfing candle, and I listened to you, I just went against my rules. You guys do that all the time with yourself, because you see, like right now, you see 3. This is what we call 3 white soldiers. It's 3 strong candles going up. You guys will be instantly buying right now because you already see it's going up. So you're like, oh, let me just buy it. I'm gonna just buy it right here. And you not knowing where your stop loss is gonna be, you just immediately taking the trade. And then let's say you do take a trade like this, what's gonna happen is you're gonna make a quick 10, 30, 100 bucks, and you're gonna instantly get out. You're not sticking to no plan. You have no structure. The market has a structure, but you don't. So that's the reason why 70% of y'all are not profitable for this month or this year. That is the reason why. Now, if I go into my actual account here, this is my real account, a personal account. You guys see we deposit $2,700 starting in March 1st, right? And that being said, a lot of these trades that I took, as you see, these are W's. Like I said, 90% of these trades were called live stream and VIP. The reason why I like going live, I like going live for myself. I'm going to be honest with you. I like going live for myself because it holds me way more accountable. Because I got over 500 to 1,000 people watching me. And I'm telling you guys right now, literally, like, stick to the trading plan. And I always sound very stupid of me to take hella trades and I'm not sticking to my trading plan. So I'm basically going against my own self and I'm not holding my own weight up. So the reason why I like going live is because it puts me in my place. So, for instance, if I wasn't live right now, I probably would have had took a gold trade right now like a dum-dum because I'm a noob trader, right? Or I feel like I'm a noob trader and I'm like, I'm going to just take a buy because it looks good to take a buy. But now that I go live and now that I have hella people watching me, you know, VIP, I got a lot of you guys tapped into the VIP. I'm not going to just post. Now you guys are responsible for your own trade and your own risk, but I still feel accountable. I still feel like I got people watching me and I don't want to F up a trade. I don't want to be calling out F-y trades and then I got everybody coming at me saying, oh, you blew this, you blew that, you blew this. Even though I'm not accountable for your account, I'm really not. But still, it's still in the back of my head. So I make sure I hold myself accountable. And that is by simply making sure I'm sticking to my plan. Because I'm live every day now. And I don't want to be taking shitty trades. But if I can stick to my plan, I'm good. That's why I feel always confident about taking a trade. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. But 90% of the time, I feel confident of all my trades I'm taking because that's really what it is. And that's why a lot of people that do stream right now, They feel like they're ready to stream because their system is formed and they believe in their system strongly. Right? And that's why. That's why a lot of YouTubers stream now. A lot of YouTubers don't stream because of other different reasons. I'm not saying that's one big reason. There's a lot of other reasons to it. But what I'm getting at the end of the day is you guys got to have a system in play. So if you are that 70% of not profitable right now, then there's something that you got to figure out. And that figuring out is one of those three. And it's that simple. So if any of y'all trade a demo account, stop trading a demo account. It's not going to do shit for you. It ain't. You can back test for free 99 on TradingView, and you get the same benefits. You're just learning the market and how it moves. That's it. You're not learning no mental. I don't care if you're trying to say you're trading a demo account like a real account. I don't care how realistic you are with yourself, but I promise you that little 1% or 0.0999999% is literally that 1% that will literally make you or break you in a real account. And you got to tell yourself that. So stop trading demo accounts. It ain't going to do nothing for you. I don't care if y'all effing posting results of a demo account. I don't care for that. I really don't. You made $5 million on a demo account. Congratulations. Cool. But I swear by the time you get on live account, you lose $5 million because this is a different mindset. You gon' second guess yourself every second when you in a trade. Only time you should be trading a demo account is if you're creating your own system, learning a bot, or trying to make sure your bot is a good high win rate. I say if you're doing a demo, is only good for bots and you trying to figure out just how market moves, and that's it. Nothing else, nothing more. But do not be posting your profits on a demo account unless it's 100% algorithm bot, meaning that it's doing all your trades for you, because the algorithm bot has no emotions. Otherwise, if you're trading your demo account right now and you took a trade and you post your results, I'd give no F of what you just did, because it's not going to be the same when you trade a real account. Even if you trade in somebody's signals, if you in somebody's signals and you see that they made this, you still not going to do it, because if I was to call a signal right now and I say TP1, 70% of you guys would have got out the trade earlier and not wrote it to TP2. Or if the trade was going left and it was super close to the stop loss but it never hit, everybody would have tapped out. But if you were in a demo account, you would have held that trade out. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Y'all got to understand it's a different mindset when you're really trading live money. So I tell everybody, preach to everybody, try the real account. Don't trade on demo account. Don't even try the FTMO demo account. That ain't going to do shit for you. It's stupid. It's pointless. Honestly, it really is. I'm sorry, but it's real facts, guys. If any of y'all been trading a demo account and passed it 4 times, then you trade a live account and you failed it, that's your answer right there. Obviously, a demo account didn't work. That's because you didn't create the system. That's because you didn't fully understand the mental part of it. And that's just real facts, man. And I'm just speaking facts, and I'm not trying to say nothing. I'm not trying to bash nobody, bash anything. I'm just speaking real facts. I truly believe that we all need to understand trading is not skills. It's mental more than skills. I swear to gosh. It took me 5 years to understand that. And now I'm preaching it to everybody. Is $1,000 good enough to trade U.S. oil? Absolutely. Absolutely. By the way, guys, I need you guys to like up the video, man. Show some love. I need all y'all to like up the video. I need everybody here to like up the video. Let's get these likes up. Thanks for the word. 100%. Hey, no problem, no problem. Now let's get back to the charts, man. As I said earlier, guys, don't ask me if I'm gonna get in the gold trade, because you guys know my rule of thumb, especially after I just had a whole 15 minutes of me preaching about mental and trading plan. I'm not taking any gold trade right now. Hell, if anything, we ain't got no liquidity phase either. But I'm not taking no gold trade right now because it's just going up and up, right? Obviously, that's what it's been doing. Now, my bias can change, and once my mental bias change, then that's when I'll be like, all right, guys, we could get another setup. But until then, gold, dollar's dropping. And also, guys, this could be a potential liquidity phase right here. Oh, yeah, this is nice, actually. This is real nice. I see it. Go ahead and put... don't know if y'all can hear. Let me turn that off. All right, so basically, looks like we decided to take the lows out on dollar. One thing though, I'm not 100% sure on this one, because I don't really. Oh yeah, you know what? No, it's not. I don't really see a liquidity phase on this one, because this is more of a liquidity sweep going on, or liquidity grab. But I'm just looking at these wicks. I don't really see much wicks. I just see strong engulfing candles up here. I don't really see too much wicks. So realistically, I'm gonna actually ignore this high right here, because we just had formed a new high. By the way, guys, I scalp. When I say I scalp, I literally nitpick the market, right? I can be in trades for a quick split second and so forth. So I want to show you guys my journal too, so you guys will see. I have not finished putting all my numbers in, so the balance is not. Sheesh. The balance is 4,700, but you guys obviously seen the account. We're at 50. We at $5,400, so I still got to put a lot more trades in. As far as basically today, I took some trades. I kind of got my account up, but I do want to show you guys my results so far. So looking at, let me go ahead and save this. All right, so looking here at some of the details, I want to go into the charts. Looking here at some of the details, I gotta hit refresh, by the way. Let me hit refresh. Refresh. All right, cool. So looking at some of the details here, I see that I don't know why it's not showing. Let's see. Hold on, y'all. Let me see. There we go. Makes more sense now. All right. So yeah, looking at some of my results here, as far as my strategies I've been using, the 3-man standing. I talk about this all the time. The fib strategy, we've been good. For long positions, we've been at 100% so far. For short positions, we have took no trades with this strategy. But for my fib strategy, or my liquidity phase strategy, we're at 100% so far. We haven't took any sales for the liquidity phase strategy. So my 3-man standing strategy has been my best strategy so far. Longs, we've been at a 94% win rate, and then shorts, we've been at a 100% win rate. I made most of my money off of this strategy right here. As you guys see, here's my profit growth, my gross, about $1,500 in profit from this strategy alone. I got everything here journaled as far as what's going on. And then also calendar, last week we made more money last week, but like I said, guys, I haven't put all my trades in yet. I'm gonna do it after this stream. But we made last week we made 1,000. The week before that, my first week started, we made 1,000. So now that my account is getting up more, guys, remember when we first started my YouTube streams, we did a $4,000 account to 50K in like 4 months, or 3 to 4 months. So I'm already at $5,000. So I'm thinking of the same mindset of what we did on my last challenge, right? And the same mindset was just sticking to this. And this is why I'm showing you guys that consistency is possible in trading. It's hard as fuck. I swear it's hard as fuck. I still go against my rules sometimes, but if you can stay consistent with just your system, you're gonna come up winning regardless, guys. So it don't matter if you got a $100 account and you want to start off with a $1,000 account. As long as you got a system in play, you can do it again. It's just like if you guys were to open up a franchise of McDonald's, they're going to give you the blueprint of how to get that McDonald's to make money, right? They're going to give you the blueprint of how to run the system, how to run everything. They're going to give you the blueprint of everything. They're going to give you the blueprint of everything, right? But what's going to happen is basically you got to obviously still make sure you follow suit with that as a manager. So if you can get the blueprint of everything, your McDonald's franchise would be making money. You should be making money instantly because they already got the blueprint. So that's the same exact thing with trading. This is my blueprint. If I had followed this blueprint with my last account, there shouldn't be no reason why I'm achieving this account. Now, as long as I stick to this, guys, as long as I stick to this, I should be profitable this whole entire month. and next month and a month after and a month after and a month after and a month after. Based off what I did with my last challenge, 4,000 to 50K, there's no reason why I shouldn't do the same as long as I'm sticking to my plan, because I stuck to my plan with my last account. With that, now I got to stick to it with this one right here. So as long as I can stay profitable, we come out winning, right? So that's pretty much really what it is with that. And I kind of wanted to show you guys. Here we go. Now we see. I want to show you guys. There we go. Now this looks way more better. So as you guys see, my top pair is oil. As you see, that's why I like oil. That's why it's number one. I made the most money with oil. It tells you right here the value that I have made so far with oil is about 270. That's like the average. And also it kind of gives you my most profitable pair, which is oil, and then after that NASDAQ is actually second. And this is why I love this journal, guys, because this journal will literally tell you. I would tell you, I'm gonna be honest with you, if I didn't have this journal, I would have at least thought in my eyes that NASDAQ oil would have been number one, but I would at least thought NASDAQ would have been last, because I barely trade NASDAQ. But clearly the journal facts numbers tell you something different. So it tells me that gold is actually my least profitable money making, and NASDAQ is my second. So oil's first, NASDAQ, and then gold. And then it tells me right here the value of oil is number one, NASDAQ obviously, and so forth. It'll also tell you the best days. Obviously Fridays is my most profitable days. So this is when I know that my let's be real, like if I was to trade, I don't need to trade any other day but Friday, because on Fridays there's apparently something going on Fridays that makes me most money. I remember back in the day, I never wanted to trade on Fridays for whatever reason. I never had a reason for it. I just hear every other trader talk about, oh, I don't trade on Fridays. So I was like, okay, well, I'm not going to trade on Fridays. And as I got more into trading, I understand that why would I not trade on Fridays when it's the same as a Monday, same as a Tuesday, same as any other day. And that's why I like Fridays. Actually, Fridays is really good for oil, because on oil, usually a lot of banks and institutions like to buy in oil, right? So yeah, guys. So by the way, guys, this journal is not available. Like I said, I am making an app right now where something even better would look just like this for an app, but only this is available for my bootcamp students. So if you guys ever sign up for our bootcamp for like next month, you guys will get this journal and all that stuff for absolutely free. Let me go back to putting my, let's see, what is dollar doing? Put an alert on dollar here. This is the actual first low we broke since 5 a.m. This is the first low we actually broke since 5 a.m. We broke this low, but clearly there was never a reason on to sell this. So I like to see how this one plays out. Excess, because 100 is nothing to them. It's different mindset. If you were $100, it's all the money you got. Whatever you guys got, trade it. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to trade with only $10, or you don't have to trade with only you trade whatever you got, just trade it. Once again, guys, I need everybody here to make sure they like up the video, and then two, let's see. Yeah, guys, I need everybody here to like the video. If you're new to my channel, like up the video. By the way, everybody, where y'all from? Where you guys tapped in from? Where are you guys tapped in from? Drop your location. Miami. So let's see where y'all all tapped in from. We got everybody tapped in from everywhere, man. That is beautiful. I appreciate everybody for tapping in once again, man. Once again, the knowledge is powerful here. If y'all stay with the obviously learn knowledge. For everybody else that just wants the money part or wants the signals part, I hope y'all follow suit with that 70% that ain't profitable, because y'all know what's the reason why y'all not profitable. You will never be profitable off somebody's signals. You'll be profitable off somebody else's knowledge, but never signals. And in our community, in our VIP, you know, I don't like to promote it too much as signals. I like to literally promote it as how can you put it? I like to promote it as like a educational platform. And I like to make sure I showcase all my trades. So usually when I wake up, I usually tell everybody what's going on for the day. And I like to post screenshots of the trade that I got in. And what I'm also going to start doing is implementing the strategy. Since a lot of you guys now knowing what strategy I am using, I'm going to also be posting like a screenshot of the strategy that I had used, so you guys will know that too. So like I said, man, it's a lot that I'm doing that I want to do moving forward. Just not just post a signal. I just want to also show you guys, hey, this is a strategy I'm using, you know. And then I'm gonna have a session. Also, there's going to be a section in the VIP that I'm working on that's going to have all my strategies broken down, so you guys will understand what strategy and how that works. Yeah, I know signals is not the way. Unfortunately, it's not, man. You know, like I said, my community, we're trying to be more educational than just a signal provider. I have a bot that also gives out possible signals. It's not even a signal bot where I'll be like, yo, you know, take sell now. It's literally possible sell here, possible buy here, but still look for your setup. But it's a possibility that this is a sell right here, but still look for the setup. I don't really like to do that signal sell and buy. Exactly. All right, guys, if we can take out this high, is this alert set for this? There's no alert set for this. I thought I set an alert for this. If we could take out this high right here, waiting on it to break through and then pull back and then boom. He said, I'm just patiently waiting for the oil trade. I think the oil trade is going to happen during New York only session. That's how I feel. We just going up, taking out this POI level, going further up to some of these levels here. Yeah, let's do this. Any tips solo? I'm 12 years old trading. Whoa, what? Any tips solo? I'm 12 years old trading live in 3 months. That's what's up. Let me just elaborate. Are you 12 years old or you been trading for 12 years? The way I'm reading it can go both ways. I just want to confirm. it's got to be you've been trading for 12 years, right? And then you've been live for 3 months. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Trading Undertaker. That's what I want to know. Like, damn, if you're 12 years old trading, that is crazy. From his name, it's gotta be. He's in 12. I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out, man. Anywhere it goes, if you're 12 years old and trading right now, that's amazing. Tommy, you're 16. Y'all, when I was 12 to 16, I was still riding a bike outside, asking everybody what's the word, like what we doing. Goodness gracious, you're 12 years old. Is your parents around? Like, that is crazy. You know what? I love seeing that, man. That I'm glad you're 12 years old. I'm sorry, but I'm glad you're 12 years old and you're actually learning the market right now. That just opened up my mind. I got a son, man, and he's only 4, or he's about to be 5 soon, but he's only 4. Your parents is day traders? Oh my gosh, that is amazing, man. Wow, that just goes to show I could teach my kid at 12. I was already trying to teach him, but right now, obviously, he don't care. But that just goes to show I could definitely teach my kid. Wow, man, I would definitely say, man, continue to do what you do. Learn from your parents if they both are day traders. And then learn from these streams. Learn from whatever you got, man. But by the time, if you could be consistent, man, and if you're hearing all the knowledge that I just dropped earlier about sticking to a trading plan and having a system, if by the time you turn 16, 18, you should be close to being really successful in trading, whatever your journeys is, man. Wow, 12 years old. I can't even imagine what I was doing at 12. This dude is definitely going to be a beast, man. I can't even imagine what I'll be doing at 12 years. I don't even know what I was doing at 12 years old. What grade was I in at 12? Oh, man. What grade are you in right now? I could definitely tell you very smart. Very intelligent. Your typing skills is on points too. You're in 7th grade. Wow. Dang, God, it's been a while since I've been in 7th grade. I thought you were a bit older in 7th grade. All right, you know what? Now, 7th grader is trading the Forex market. I was saying in 7th grade. Man, I wasn't even in high school yet. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. I don't even remember past 7th grade. No, I believe it. I know there's some young kids out there that's trading. I don't even know what I was doing in 7th grade. I don't even know where I was. 7th grade, I was playing basketball for my middle school, thinking I was the coldest, and football. I was all about sports that time. I remember. Yeah, that's what's up. But anyway, man, congrats to you, man. I hope you definitely achieve, you know, the earlier the better. Kids should not be trading. I think kids should definitely be trading. I think everybody should always start young. The younger you are, the more your mind is programmed to really understand what's going on. You know, not everybody want to play sports in a young age. That's cool. You don't need to. You know, you can be tapped into other things. Work on your mind. He said it's stressful enough, and that young age was cool. I feel it though, but nah, man, I think you should start young, man. It's the same thing with chess. I feel like chess is just like trading. It's a patient game. You really got to understand your player, understand their moves. Patience is key. It's like playing spades too, in a way, you know, patience, understand what's going on, have a system behind it, and then boom. I'd rather be 12 and learn how to trade than be 30 and learn how to trade, or be 40 and learn how to trade. Shoot, I feel like the older you get, the more stressful it is because you got more responsibilities. and you've been through the struggles and you understand that people ain't ish. So when you younger, you more happy. You not fully tapped to a lot of the BS in the world. So yeah, I say stick to trading young, brother. You got it. All right, guys. I'm looking at this gold trade now. We in a 3-minute time frame, an unusual time frame. All right, guys, this is a sell right now. Stop loss is below here. This is a nice little sell. A risky one, but it's a sell. Otherwise, I'm in it. Wow, the spreads are crazy. All right, I'm gonna have to risk less than this one. All right, guys, I'm in this trade. I'm gonna see how this one plays out. I ain't even gonna lie. We're gonna see what's going on with this one. I got stop loss or TP, take profit area. Gosh, I said everything but what I was trying to say. I have a break even line. This one's risky, but it's possible, like all trades. As you see, it's going up and up. Not really risking too much on this trade anyway. Let me add my TPs. Hold on, let's see. I don't really make too much if it goes in profit. At that age, level up, my parents brought me everything. 7th grade. How do you learn to trade on your own? Dollar's still dropping. By the way, guys, I heard some of y'all say we got news later. Where are we checking news at? Because when I check news, I didn't see anything. But let me check a different platform. Let's see. Yeah, we ain't got no crazy news going on. That's what I thought. That's what I seen. That's what I figured. Fed's emergency closed door meeting at 10. Wait, where are y'all seeing these news at? I'll check both platforms and I'm not. Did I miss it or something? Hold on. I might be missing something. Where y'all looking at this news? What platform? What platform y'all use to see this? Oh, all right, got you. That's crazy. I don't know why I'm not seeing it here. Investing? Hold on. Y'all seeing it in investing? Where in investing y'all seeing it at? I feel like I am so slow right now. Only news I know we had was the president speaking. Come on, what is going on with my internet? I'm I'm sorry, but I'm not seeing it. For the fast, if you hit failure meeting for the fast, it's in my FX books. My FX books. Oh, y'all tapped into my FX book. Let's see what is going on in my FX book. This is I don't really do too much news in my FX book, but let's see. Ah, that is crazy. I literally see it on here, but I did not see it in investing. I did not see it in my Forex factor. Y'all said it's in investing, but I don't see it in there. But I might be really tripping. But it's in my Forex book. I might have to use this one. Goodness gracious. Yep, we got news in 6 minutes, guys. They just added it. Oh, that's why. Makes sense. Oh, I want to know what we might get with oil then. Dang, I should have had said we could have took this to TP8 at this point. To have put more than 2 TPs for this trade. 1 to 2. My RR is like a 1 or 2, or it's like at a 2. Yeah, this go trade is sus. Really sus. Fucking hella sus. Emergency meeting. What the F that even really means? Closed door emergency meeting. Can somebody please explain to me what that means? This is my very first time seeing this. I'm not a news guy, so please excuse my French. Yes, I've been trading for a while, but please excuse my French. That bank that closed. Alright. Sus meeting. So it's about what had happened with the bank. Oh, sheesh. It might be because of that. The Feds are freaking out because 2 banks failed in the last 24 hours. What was the second bank? 3rd largest banks in history. Second and the 3rd largest bank fails. History. Wait, so please tell me, what was the other bank though? I know about the Valley Bank, Silicon Valley, but they said another bank. What was the other one? Oh, Signature Bank? Damn. Oh, sheesh. I don't know what my thoughts are on this, man. I'm 50-50 for this trade. I don't even, damn, y'all. I'm 50-50 for this one. Yeah, my stop's gonna get hit. You said what? Crypto folks are excited. I bet. I mean, everybody should be excited if it goes in their favor. Yeah, gold is about to do whatever at this point. Honestly, at this point, I don't even know what's about to happen. If we got this emergency, it's a 50-50. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. Right now, it's about to be a 50-50 in the next couple minutes. If people will get scared, yeah, I'm out to trade too. It's a 50-50 right now. And I have no time for that. I did not know we had that type of impact on the news. Let me put this back because I need to record that too. You said I think that's cause when you said I'm sharing again. High impact news in a few minutes. Yeah, now there's some news in a few minutes, man. I'm not. I mean, I heard y'all saying there's gonna be news, but I'm just like, where's the news? By the way, look at that NASDAQ trade, guys. I don't know if any of y'all got in. Like I said, I did not. I'm not going to record this as a trade because it just didn't play out in my setup. It did in a way right here, but yeah. Once again, this is NASDAQ. You guys know when NASDAQ is up, it's up. That's what I'm saying. It's hidden, man. It's not in my Forex factor. That's why when I was like, y'all talking about this news, I'm like, y'all capping because I don't see it. But if you go to my Forex factor, there's actually news. So it's like, yo, I don't know what the outcome of the meeting is. It's just an emergency meeting, closed door. But I know people's going to freak out, so a lot of people might be selling gold or selling dollar or whatever. But I don't know. So it's all about what the media speaks on about this to put fear in people's eyes and ears. Talking about emergency meeting, close the doors. That's some BS. This news coming out of nowhere. It's coming in my it's coming out of nowhere. It definitely is. But you guys got to go to my Forex Factor. Apparently they're the only ones that's up to date with everything. Cause everybody else ain't. Investing.com, I ain't see it in there. I ain't see it in Forex Factor either. I'm out this gold trade, y'all. Let me post that there. Daily FX. I never had used Daily FX. My Forex book, yeah, I like my Forex book. Now I'm liking it because they obviously more accurate than everybody else.
I'm always twirling purpose. I'm so surface level. Don't you look behind the curtains. I'm nervous like I'm Nelly. Kelly's so evil, he not a person. What a good one consist of. I'm probably not as perfect. It's probably not in my bloodline. My faith lies as far as my fault is allowed, but truth I control where I lay.
NASDAQ is the only thing that decided to move while I was streaming. The trade that I did not get in is the one that moved. Hey, what's going on, Dennis? I'm feeling good. How about you? This is a prime example why your mental is everything in trading. This will hurt somebody or break. This will literally break somebody right here. But it's just like, I gotta still stick to your plan. You got to. You decided to sit out on Monday. There you go. That's smart too. This my bigger bowl of self-belief. No need for boating schools to tell me peace is found. I find my own ground, crash my own reef. No beef, all peace. Nah, that bang bang ski ski. You show the count. How you know it's time to get out of trade, or should you hold more? I know when it's time to get out of trade when it only hits my stop loss of TP. Sounds like you trying to second guess a trade. No, never do that. You got to stick to your trade. You got to make sure you are already mentally set for one, and then you got to make sure your setup is realistically set too for two.
Remain seated. Welcome. Stay calm. And if you
I don't think the news gonna do anything because it's hitting. Nobody knows what's going on. It's like one of those low-key gems. Apparently there was some hit. It's literally, the news is literally called, what is it called? Hold on. The news was called Closed Door Emergency Meeting, High Impact. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. I don't know what's gonna happen, but it absolutely makes no sense. All right, guys. One of my other trades, I'm moving that joint to break even now. But one trade I got out, but my stop loss did hit for the one other trade, so that's why I'm still in one other trade. That's crazy. What do you think about Euro? I don't even trade Euro USD.
All the smiling people around me made me think I need help. Damn, I'm so lonely. I wish I knew how to be fine all
right, I'm out that joint.
Damn, I'm so lonely.
Now it's looking juicy. So we 1-1 right now. NASDAQ playing out right. I swear, man. NASDAQ never. It's one of those hate-love relationship. But it's moving. Hey, by the way, my oil trade is I'm still set for the sell coming soon for oil. I'm gonna get my little $396 back that I took from this. Oh my God! Now look at gold. Fucking A. Prime example of a fuck up. Fucking A. Fucking A. Only my stop loss was just 2 pips away from my entry. That's and that's the crazy thing, guys. That is in my rule book. Stop loss 5 pips, 10 pips from the most recent high or low. And I didn't effing do it, and this is what happened. But at the end of the day, it is what it is, man. I ain't tripping. I can't trip, guys. I can't. Good job for staying in, man. Fucking. I'm not getting in gold again. I don't care about it. It's dead to me. But either way it goes, I'm gonna have to tap into my oil, my bay. It does justice for me all the time. Nope, not getting in NAS either. It's already up. And I definitely don't revenge trade either. That's another thing. But if we can take out this low right here. It's about to hopefully be game over for oil. Still need to wait on my setup though. So you guys will see the L I took right here. Also took an L on my funded account too. Let me see where we at with my funded account. Like I said, every trade I take off of this account gets copied into my funded account. So I lost $1,600 on my funded account. Still up $4,000 though. We're up $5,000, but up $4,000 on this account. So just a little close to passing the first challenge. Got to do the second one, and then after that, yeah, I get to trade a funded account. So the nice thing about if I can pass with this right here, this is just another income of me, and then I'm still gonna copy every trade I take on this. Just gonna get copied into my other account. So it's like getting two sources of money coming out, you know, when I cash out or whatever. But the biggest thing with trading, guys, is this right here. You knowing your trade went in your favor after you just tapped out because of stupidity, and you're trying to force yourself not to get in a trade. That's number one. That's super hard. And then number two is you trying to, this L that you had caught, you're trying to get that money back. So you're going to possibly just look at something and then just be like, I see it going up, let me buy. When you still should make sure you disciplined enough to know, like, no, let me wait on my setup. Like right now with oil, I'm waiting on my setup, and I'm going to just get in once my setup is set. Biggest thing of trading. And the reason why I'm telling you guys this right now is this is real facts, but it's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. Like, that's the hard part of trading right there. Alex, you just see my MT5 account. I am not in oil right now. Yo, what's going on, Sway? Long time no see. What size is your funded 200K account? It's a challenge, though. It's a challenge. I'm not fully funded with this broker yet. It's a challenge I'm doing. TP2 smash on NASDAQ. Funder Pro. I need everybody here to tap into them. Check them out. Unlimited trading days. That's why I like Funder Pro. I have unlimited trading days. They are backed by iSpring FX. But like I said, guys, I am using Funder Pro. I don't need. One thing about funded accounts, I'm not a big fan of funded accounts, just because there's too many rules. I like to risk a little more. I like to hold trades over the weekend if I wanted to. I just want to be able to have more flexibility and knowing mentally I can do whatever I want in my account. That's why I prefer personal accounts. You say I like how you pronounce it. Frank, you said there's an error in your notes. Go to. Oh, you must be looking at the old. You must be backdating because I don't have that on there no more. I'm actually getting set up for this possible sale for oil and only oil. By the way, guys, I need everybody here to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Everybody that is tapped in and new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. And I need you guys, I need everybody to do me one huge favor. Like the video. Everybody here right now, I need everybody to like the video. We took the lows out with oil, but the problem is it can be pulled to any of these levels. I'm gonna keep my eye on oil. We keeping our eye on oil. Talking about we will at the profit. Oh man, you a prime example of what we just preached earlier in the stream. What some trusted funded brokers, you know, this is FTMO 100%. My Forex fund, them are the only two I can definitely say for sure. iSpring FX, I've been using them too. And then I'm trying this one out too. So yeah. Hey, anybody here still in oil, gold? Appreciate that, Jacob. Yeah, no, it was an amazing call out. Shoot, that grew. That's what got my account even obviously to $5 grand. Anybody still in that gold trade? Five pips away from my stop loss. Should have been here. We would have been A-okay. Damn. Move y'all stops to break even. You say you scalping the hell out of gold. Make sure y'all move them stops to break even. Stop loss and profit. There you go. I don't trade head and shoulders. I don't look at the market like that anymore. I really don't. It's not even a head and shoulders pattern until it actually breaks the neckline, by the way. That's a valid head and shoulders. Do I think dollar will reverse? I think dollar will continue to go down because for one, we didn't even, looks like we have a possible small liquidity run possibility, but the way that this looks, we just took the lows, took the highs, but I honestly see this a little differently. We've been sweeping a lot of liquidity. We've been sweeping a lot of liquidity. Also looking at this previous range here. Oh my gosh, what is going on with my mouse? We did tap into this negative 618 perfectly. Wow, and then now we got our reversal. Gold is like TP3 already. Damn. Fucking A, bro. Ain't even gonna lie. That trade makes it. That old me definitely would have been like, yo, I'm about to get back in gold. And I can feel the old me trying to kick back into me a little bit. Nice. 600 on NAS, $375 on gold. Yeah, you good for the day. Down near $1,000. Let's see if we can get this to pull off of any of these two POI levels. The higher the POI level, the better entry for me, the better positioning for me. I know that's what I'm saying, Sway. That's what I'm saying. Way better position if it can pull up here. Way better position. Better stop loss, better entry, better TP levels. So the more it can go up, the better for me. Nasdaq still gonna be going up. Honest to God, at this point, I see Nasdaq. Actually, no, we already in my my levels of it pulling back. We TP2 for sure. Hold on, let me put this down here again. You said US oil just tapped. Nice, nice. Let's see though. We need more. We need aggressive moves though, man. Cause this is a strong candle right here. I need 5-minute reaction off. Honestly, it's gonna be tough. This is a tough one right here. Could catch another 30-second play, kind of like what we got earlier off of here. What time is it? We get into 11 soon. I mean, yeah, noon. Let's see. What POI? Make sure we ain't got nothing to. No, we don't have anything to tell me otherwise. I don't see like no liquidity phase going. Damn, this is a big. I want to see what we got going on. It's about to be 12. Why is it every time I get off gold, you guys keep telling me to check gold again? No, I just told you guys what's going on with gold. You said, damn, didn't get the 5-minute rejection. Man, that joint closed strong. That's what I'm saying. This one is a little iffy. All right, so we did tap into my we did tap into it though. Did tap into this little POI, 30-second POI right here. Man, I need to see like a double top off the 30-second. I need to see something. Flipping this $30 account. Hey, there you go. You can't never go wrong with that. That's the thing, being hella patient, 90% of traders don't have. Everybody here, I need you guys to do me one huge favor. Like up the video. Everybody here, make sure you like the video. 30-second look nice. I just gotta make sure that's enough. Let me see something. Selling. Hold on, buddy. Don't take off on me yet. Can we get a 101? Oh, close, but not close. All right, cool. 1 minute time frame. Let's see how this 1 minute looks. All right, y'all. I'm in it. Just adding my TP levels. All right, there we go. Let's see how that plays out. Gold did justice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Not for me though. I got out. NASDAQ did justice. Just trying to get all the way up there, which could definitely happen. Let's see. Dollar's doing great. We broke structure both ways. That's a good thing. My SL, I got my SL buddies highs right here. So I don't know what the price is at for your brokers. But if you guys using Henko Trade, iSpring FX, then should be good. things are going to start slowing down a little bit because of the time, the session that is about to be. But like I said, patience is key. And I teach so many students, and I just know like a lot of people don't have that in the trading world, and I get it, but that's why you're not really succeeding, man. Like y'all get in the trade, and then y'all check 5 minutes later and realize the trade ain't going in y'all favor, and then y'all get out. Let's see what else about to check. He said, things kind of dope. V, you made that 450 off that gold short. Nice. He said, sometimes I feel to quit. I'm not on my account, but my money is not moving up or down. I just get in profits next day and I lose it. I tried all means to refine my risk management, but hey, man, MC is more than just risk management and trading. I say that too. It's more than just risk management and trading. So when we actually had this talk last week, I had said, guys, a lot of traders think risk management is just knowing the amount you want to risk in your account, but it's more to that than what you think. Literally. Literally. Like right now, how oil is going up, everybody would be like, oh, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna just get out. Like, why are you getting out? If you already had a stop loss, stick to your stop loss and just leave it alone. You probably blowing accounts because your stop loss can't go that far out. And that's another bad thing that you don't want to do. By the way, guys, if you're new to my channel, you're not a part of our Discord, I did just post a link in the chat room. Make sure you guys look at the chat room. I just posted a link. I need all you guys to tap into the Discord. Need all you guys to tap into the Discord. This thing, I see dollar dropping and up drop. Interesting. You said, oh, nice. TP3 about to smash. Yo, I think that's gonna go up and keep going up. Yeah, so at that point, it's like, geez. Once again, by the way, guys, I appreciate y'all for liking the videos. Let's keep up the momentum with the likes. And then also, guys, subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Is oil and WTI the same? Yes, it is. Did you know, I never did. Yeah, they're all the same. They're all the same. She says, love the background tools. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm looking for another entry on there, trying to see if I can get in. That's one thing about re-entries. It's like if it already had hit an area and it's not gonna come back to it, it's kind of like, yeah, it's done from there. So I like how you trade, MC. I appreciate that. It says, yo, Solo, how's the new place coming? Very well, man. We got contractors in there working now, getting it all done. I'm actually going to be doing a lot of stuff myself too. I love building, man. Actually, before all of this, I wanted to be an architect, and I wanted to build houses and build roller coasters. That was my thing. Still is low-key one of my biggest things I always like doing. I just never really got into it. So I'm going to be helping out with a lot of stuff as well, but nothing too crazy. Yeah, I appreciate it. And we got a lot of work to do. We got to do painting. We got to do a lot of more interior work. We're going to do epoxy floor. We're doing all of that stuff. It's a lot of work that needs to be done in the place. The solo coaster. See, I feel like with gold now, it ain't finna. Wait. What we got? Yeah, we got a whole pattern going on right now. For anybody that's trying to re-enter on that, I don't know if it's another re-entry. It already, these levels were already tapped here, so it's kind of like, I don't know if that's gonna happen for those that's looking to re-enter. Yes, B, I got a lot going on with projects for sure. Serious of entrepreneurship right here. I'm not just a Forex trader. I'm not just a trader. I do series of different things, seriously. Let me extend this out. You said you just took a quick buy, Scout. Why? Was there a reason behind that, or you just did it just because? Trying to get like UE. Yes, sir. Swear your time definitely coming, brother. So we have a previous support at that level. Gotcha. Nice. I like it. So you stuck to your plan. Was it just that though? Was it more than just that support level? Was it more than just a support level? And why you brought it? Oh, damn. Okay. I would usually say wait on 3 confirmations before you take anything, because that's another thing, man. I don't specify that in the live streams. I kind of say that for the boot camp, but I'll say a little bit about it. You usually want 3 confirmations before you start doing anything, regardless of whatever your setup is or trade is. You want at least 3 confirmations. First confirmation should be your starting point. Second confirmation is going to be the backbone to the first. Third confirmation is just like, all right, you know what? I got it. We got to do it. You're just adding all the confluences together. Guys, is there anybody here that did not tap into that VIP? I'm gonna give you the. Let me give you the. I mean, not VIP. Sorry, the Discord. Let me do this one more time. There you guys go. It is in the chat room. And also, once again, guys, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, too. You see you on your second phase. I've been blowing. Hey, okay. But might just need for the day. Yeah, that's why if that's your rule, bro, I'll just say forget it and stick with it. Just take the 2 W's. That's what all we're doing right now is just consolidating. I don't trade Euro USD. I do not trade Euro USD. I don't even remember the last time I took the trade on Euro USD. MC, I don't trade like that. There've been many times where there's setups like that. You seen it on the 4-hour or whatever, and you might have seen rejection, but it's still went in our favor. But I mean, sheesh, a lot of times that happen. I really scalp the market. Sometimes it's hard. And like I said, guys, there's a lot to what I say, what I don't say in here, or whatnot, because you gotta for one know what type of trader you are, which you gotta know what time frames to focus on and what time frame is really effective for the time frame you're entering. Because sometimes when you get in a trade, you would look at a daily scale, and you will see like one engulfing candle on a daily, and you will be like, oh, I'm not selling, or why are you selling it? But I'm like on a 1 minute, and I'm nitpicking this little move right here to catch like 10, 20 pips. And it's still going in favor. So you just really got to know what type of trader you are. All right, guys, so it looks like today is slowing down. I'm still in a oil trade. I'm a whole suit for that. Like I said, guys, patience is key, and I already know a lot of y'all don't have patience because y'all keep asking me about oil trade. When I say, it's going to either come to my TP or come to my stop loss. But I'll keep y'all posted on that if y'all tapped in the VIP or in the Discord in general. Other than that, I'm about to tap out. I got things I got to handle. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. Everybody, take care. Have a blessed day. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.